Stuff's happening. Oh, can you hear the chipmunks already? They're so mad at me all the time. Okay, look. Goshen's Dome. Look. See all those little red tags? Tomorrow is the day. Tomorrow's the day we get them taken down. So I'm documenting. Oh, and I'm making a tool corral. Look. Yeah, we've been busy. Anyhow. Look at how tall these trees are. Gotta get rid of them. Look at, it could kill me. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, we don't want killer trees. Anyway. Okay, let's take a look around. Look. Oh, I got some projects going. But it's a secret for right now. Look at, I've got like torches and empty bird feeders. It's so exciting. If you haven't guessed already, we're remaking a few things, which means there's massive amounts of destruction on the world's worst garden vlog today. But there's a purpose for all the destruction. Things are happening. Some crazy things are happening. But at the same time, I want to let you guys in on getting sick while you're watching a video. Look, there's some stuff. There's more stuff. And there's one little spruce that didn't make it. It's very sad. Look, the bittersweet is beautiful this year. Look at how beautiful you are. Anyway, dog's having fun. Look, we got a couple things of mulch. I still haven't gotten the rocks. I don't know what the dog's doing over there. Anyway, look, I'm making some grass and clover. And it's gonna fill in this spot. It seems to be doing great so far. I'm a really advanced gardener at this point. You can tell. Look, there's little rocks. You like rocks? Do you like rocks? That rocks. Anyway. Planted the azalea. No wait, that's a rhododendron. Sorry. I don't know anything. Friend gave me from forget-me-nots and some lilies. Hopefully the bunny won't eat all of them. He was in here eating ferns earlier. I don't even want to talk about what he did to my rose. Okay, here's the special. We've been given a smoke bush. It's a white smoke bush. It's still in shock. Some of these leaves are obviously not going to come back, but some of them are. And we've got it all mulched in. We've been watering it every day. And we'll probably have to cut it back hard in the fall. But that's okay. We don't mind. We don't mind. But okay, this is what we're doing. Look, guys. Look. We're looking at these trees. Look. These trees are going. Could be able to get this on film. Document. We took all our little planters away and our lamp posts. Getting rid of the tree guys tomorrow. Look at that one's going. Bye-bye. We really did enjoy having you around, but you know, you're dangerous. It's all good though, right? All dangerous, not good, dangerous. There's our dragon's egg. It's not really a dragon's egg. Look, everything's, I got some lemon coral sedum. I don't know, some of it looks like it's jumping ship. I don't know what's going on. Oh, we've got the 9 bark is freaking out. There's some bugs. See the bugs? Oh, hi bugs. They're having a blast around the 9 bark. Look at that. You see where I've got this cultivating in front of all the utilities? There's a reason for that. Because who wants to look at those little gray boxes? Anyway. Been getting rocks at my dad's. Thank you, Dad. I'm gonna go get more. These look at this is where our parking planters were. Anyway, we've gone around the house. We've looked at trees. Look at, all those are going. All those are going. We're working on it. It's gonna happen. Anyway, all right. That's it for today. We'll see you next time, and things will be a little more open. Okay, bye. Well, I told you we were gonna have the trees down. Look at this. No more stumps. They ground them out. Except for this one and the other one's over there, but we want those for erecting stuff from. Still define the property. Get a load. Get a load. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Now look at this. We told them, stick all the chips in the frontage to kill the bittersweet and the poison ivy. Look how much it is. It's very fragrant. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's amazing. Okay, I can't even tell you. ArborClimb from East Dummerston, Vermont. Amazing. They took out so many trees. 15, I believe, in total. Amazing. Few things got bumped and bruised, but that's okay. We'll allow it. Look at this. No more pine sap on our cars. No more pine sap. Wow. That's just asking for a plant or a lamp post. Lamp post. Oh my god, look at all the sun. Whoa. Look at this. All this stuff that we were going to have to hand excavate through. It's all wood chips. So easy to move. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. Dream come true.